Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Lunach, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to beautify your clothes using pearl setting machine. This is pearl setting machine and this is how it looks like. It is used for pearl embellishment. You use it to embellish your clothes, and also it comes with 4 dies inside of it. These dies, they are of different sizes. Okay, you can see they are dies. This is where you fix your pill, and this is where you fix it in the machine. Okay, so you can change these dies depending the sizes of the pills you have. And this is pin. This pin, it is used to make the pill stick on your clothes. Okay, this is the pin. This is the pin. It resembles a stool with one flat side. This is the flat side. Oh, sorry, this is very tiny. This is very tiny, but whenever you went to buy this machine, they're gonna give you this pin. Okay, sorry, you can see it. I know you can see it very well. This is how it looks like. It has 4 legs. Okay, and this flattened side will be the side you're gonna put here. So now, and I'm going to show you So now let me show you some of my pairs collections. You can have any color you choose, you decide to have. And these pills, you can see them very well. They don't have holes. Here, we don't use pills that have hole. They are more likely to break when you use them on this pearl setting machine. You don't use them. And this is where you fix it on a die. You fix it inside here, then fix it on your machine. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use it. So now let's see how we can fix this pill in die. And now I'm going to show you how to fix the pill inside your dies like this and put it in your machine. This is how you attach it here. Remember I said the dies have different sizes. When you have a bigger pill, you look for the bigger die that is suitable for it and put your pill inside and attach it to your machine. Here now, we're gonna use our pin. The bottom side will be the down inside here. This bottom side will be inside. Then the 4 legs will be showing upward. You fix it inside. This is how to use it on your clothes. This is your material. Let's see, but I'm using net currently. This is a 2 net. So what you're gonna do is to place it. It's done already. So what you're going to do is to draw your clothes out of the machine. This is what it looks like. I hope this is beautiful. This makes sense. I hope you learned something today in this video. It is done. This work are done using pearl punching machine. You can call it pearl punching machine or pearl setting machine. So I'd like you to like this video.